Today we are taking a look at this job. This is a vandalism job. We have the windows boarded up. And my goal today is to take measurements of all the drywall work that we need to do, painting work, and all the trim work to get a proper pricing. As you can see by the first looks, this looks absolutely terrible. I mean, somebody really messed up this house, messed up this place. Flooring is damaged, walls are just beaten up. We did have a mitigation crew in here, but you can see this window's shattered, those windows are broken, this is all molded up. Sorry that it's not that pleasant of a view in here. This video is a little bit of a messy video, but this is the type of work that we do and the type of work that we restore.